Looking to list faster, smarter, and more accurately on Etsy? Use one of the most useful features in the Etsy Integration app, profiling. Profiles group similar products so you can publish in bulk, stay organized, and match every listing to Etsy's requirements without doing it all manually. Let's walk you through how profiling works in the Etsy Integration app. From the left-hand navigation menu, click on Profiling. This opens the profiling grid, where you can view, create, and manage all your profiles. Click on Create a new profile in the top right corner. Start by entering a unique name for your profile. Next, select an Etsy category. Just type in 2 to 3 keywords that describe your product. For example, typing snow will show suggestions like snowboard. Simply pick the one that fits best. Add conditions to link your imported Shopify products to this profile. You can filter products based on criteria like title, vendor, type, or tags. Use any condition if you want to include products that match at least one rule for broader grouping. Use all conditions for more targeted, precise filtering. To expand your selection, click Add Condition and apply more filters. This way, you can build highly specific profiles tailored to your catalog and listing strategy. It's time to map Shopify product attributes to Etsy attributes, like size, color, or material. This ensures your product variants display correctly on Etsy and follow Etsy's attribute structure. Want to add extra details? Use the Add Your Custom Attribute option. While optional, it is great for products with attributes that aren't covered by Shopify or Etsy by default. Link images to product variants before listing on Etsy. Choose a variant attribute like color or size, and the app will do the rest, syncing the right image to the right variant. This way, shoppers see exactly what they're choosing. No surprises. Recommended attributes. Etsy recommends adding details like color, dimensions, and occasion to improve your product's discoverability. Fill these out to give your listing the best chance of being found by shoppers, whether they're searching for Christmas gifts or birthday presents. Time for the About the Listing section. Here's where you'll confirm who made the product, whether it's a finished item or a tool, supply, when it was made, say, between 2020 and 2025. If you work with a production partner, like a printer or artisan, you can fetch that info from Etsy or create a new one here. Let's talk renewal settings and shop sections. Choose whether listings should renew automatically or manually. Just a heads up, Etsy charges 20 cents per listing every 4 months. Then assign a shop section, like bags or wall art, to help buyers navigate your store. You can fetch existing ones from Etsy or create a new section right here, Product Details. Mention materials used, like stainless steel, or describe the style. Maybe it's a snowboard-inspired design. You can also enable personalization. This lets buyers add a custom name, for example. Set a character limit and include any instructions like, enter the name you want on the necklace. Max 12 characters, no spaces. Finally, assign your saved templates. Shipping template. Fetch from Etsy or create a new one. Policy template. Fetch or create based on your return exchange rules. Inventory and price templates. These must be created within the app and cannot be fetched from Etsy. We've got a separate tutorial on templates if you want a deeper dive, or check out more tutorials in our video library. Before you exit, make sure to click Save. You're done. Once saved, you can assign more products and start publishing right from the app. Need help? Our support team's always here. Happy selling!